Hey, what's up, guys? Trust you're good. Hope you're doing okay today. So today we are going to be unboxing another Puma. This is my second pair of Puma. So this is actually Puma Rebound. So that's what it is, and it's size 38.5. So let's open and see what's in there. Wow, this is bomb. This is so dope. And the sole is red, guys. Can you see that? This is so dope. And here it's so soft. It's got some foams here. And here too. Wow. Let's red. Yeah. It's not Louboutin, but yeah. Puma does have a red sole, and this is amazing. And the mad thing about this is that, yeah, this can be an alternative for Jordan 1. Yeah, it can be an alternative because the same build, you know, they have also similar colors sometimes because it comes in a variety of colors. But Puma actually, you know, well done Puma. Like, you did this so well. If you can't afford Nike Air Jordan, definitely this can be your alternative. It's not that cheap, but it's affordable and it looks absolutely good, and the leather quality is insane, and you can't deny the detailing at the back here. It's mad insane. As in, look at the back here. As in, this is enough for me. Like, this is exactly why I actually bought this, you know. And then the insole is so pretty comfortable. I don't know if you can see this, but that's the insole there. You can't actually, you know, pull this out. I don't know if you can. Yeah, you can pull it out. See, it's also green underneath, and then here you have the Puma rating on it, and it's so soft. Like, it's so soft and very, very comfortable, even with my hand. Without, I've not even tried it on, but it's so comfortable. Check it out in the stores. I actually got this on sales on Puma's website in Turkey here, so I'll drop the link down below. So this video is not sponsored, but I just love the shit. Anyway, they are sold out already, but you can, you know, register and then be online, you know, register, and when they release the new set, you can actually buy it, because I'm actually waiting on getting another pair of those sneakers, but in another color, because, you know, I've been wanting to get a Nike Jordan, but I can't afford that yet because it's quite expensive here in Turkey than, you know, in the States. So that's about it. So this is a pretty pair of sneakers that every lady and every guy needs in, you know, in their wardrobe, you know, because it goes absolutely with any type of outfit. And this is bomb for me. Like, if you're looking for a, you know, mid-eye sneakers, this is it, guys. This is it. It has every details and everything you want in a, you know, in a pair of sneakers. You know, highly recommend it to anyone. You know, everybody out there watching this, share this video, drop a comment below about what you think about this. If you have a pair, let me know how you styled it, because I need ideas. You know me, I like to show my video from different angles. So let's get it started. If you're still watching this and you're new to this channel, please click on the subscribe button. We'd love to have you as part of our DIY family. And if you're a returning subscriber, you know, I've got mad crazy love for you, and you hold a very big space in my heart. So don't forget to drop a comment, drop a like, and share this video link. I love you. Obviously, don't forget to check out our previous post, Thriftflip Granny dress to top, unboxing Puma Caracal, how to turn old sweater to Zara crop turtleneck sweater, and DIY air bonnet, and how to make crunchies, and a host of others, and a lot of our unboxing videos. And once again, if you are new to this channel, please click on the subscribe button. And guys, I must confess, I was actually scared, you know, doing a review on these sneakers, because usually I just shoot my video on sneakers and put some music and then just post it like that. But this time around, I just felt I have to push myself out of my comfortable, you know, space and all that. I should be able to talk more about the sneakers to make it more interesting, because I'm a new sneakerhead believer. So, and I hope I'm able to, you know, do justice and be able to deliver good content for you that you actually like. So if you have any comment, if you have any suggestion, if you have anything, just drop it on the comment below. I love you. I appreciate you for your support and everything. Thanks. Bye. Yeah.